A very good morning, children. So let us continue our exercise 9.2, starting with second Roman. The exercise is going to be very easy. As I told, finding the product of algebraic expressions is a simple one. So the second question is, find the area of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their length and breadth respectively. So they give a pair of monomials starting with PQ like that. We have to consider them as length and breadth respectively, and thus we have to find the area of them. So first one they gave PQ like this. Okay, P and Q. So through this what we have to consider is, for the PQ, let length is equal to, as we don't have a length, let length is equal to P, and there are no units, so we have to take directly P units. That means they didn't specify whether they are going to be centimeters or meters. Let length is equal to P units and breadth is equal to Q units. So we are directly taking them as unit. Now area of rectangle formula. So area of rectangle is equal to, as you know, area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. That means length into breadth. So which is P already into Q. P into Q gives us PQ. As it is a length, we have to write as square units. Okay. If they gave here P centimeters and Q centimeters, we'll get PQ square centimeters. That is the process. And I want to deal third question of this second Roman. So the rest of the questions are going to be your homework. So 20x square, 5y square. 20x square and 5y square. Please be careful, as they gave length and breadth respectively. The first one should be length and the second one should be breadth. Just like the previous one, let length is equal to 20x square units. Let length is equal to 20x square units and breadth is equal to 5y square units. 5y square units. The same formula again. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. As we took the length as 20x square, so 20x square plus 5y square. Here we don't have a problem with the like terms, so this is going to be 20 into 5 into x square into y square. So 25 is 100 x square y square square units. Okay. So the next three of this Roman you do as a homework in the homework book. The same procedure. Now let us move to third Roman, which we can directly deal in the textbook. So please check it. So the third Roman, children, we can complete this in the textbook itself. So complete the table of products. So first monomial and the second monomial they gave. As you know, the algebraic expressions having one term we call monomials, and the product is, okay, like this, 2x into 2x. So 2 into 2 is 4, x into x is x square. In the same pattern we have to complete this table. So just observe, 2 into minus 5 minus 10, x into y is xy. Okay. Next, 2 into 3 is 6. X into x square, as you know, x power 3 or x cube. Next, 2 into minus 4 minus 8. X into xy, it is x square y. Okay. And 2 into 7, 14. x into x square y, it is x cube y. Okay, and 2 into minus 9, minus 18. X into x square y square, it is x cube y square. X cube y square. Now, the second one. Minus 5 into 2, it is minus 10. Y into x, it is yx or xy. You can write in either ways. Next, minus 5 into minus. First, you know minus into minus is plus. 5 into 5, 25. Y into y is y square. They already gave this one. Now, minus 5y into minus 4xy. First, minus into minus is anyway plus. 5 into 4, 20. Y into xy, xy square. Xy square. Now, minus 5 into 7, minus 35. Y into x square y, it is x square y square. And last one, minus 5 into minus 9. Minus into minus is plus. 5 into 9, 45. Okay. Y into x square y square. As we have already y square, this is going to be y cube. Okay. Like this, finish the table, children. So, please do the homework very carefully. Now, let us move to fourth Roman. Now, let us continue this fourth Roman in CW, children. The third Roman you will write in the textbook itself. Now, the fourth Roman, just to manage the space, I am not writing the complete question. You please copy it from the textbook. Obtain the volume of a rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. Just like the second Roman where we found area, here we have to find volume of a rectangular boxes. So just like there, let L is equal to, L indicates length. 5A, as they didn't specify units, directly write units. And breadth is equal to 3A square units. Breadth is equal to 3A square units. Okay. And height h is equal to 7A power 4 units. 7A power 4 units. Now we have length, breadth and height. Then the volume of a rectangle is equal to volume of a rectangle or rectangular box. Volume of a rectangle is equal to, we know that it is L into B into H. That means length into breadth into height. We have the length as 5A here. 5A into breadth as 3A squared and height as 7A power 4. 7A power 4. Now let us write the numerical terms and the like terms in order. 5 into 3 into 7 into, in the first term we have A square and lastly A power 4. Now let us multiply them. 5 3s are, okay, 15. 15 into 7, it is 105. So 105 A power 1. Okay, you already know this. A power m into A power n, A power m plus n. Similarly, so we have the power here 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So 105 A power 7 cubic units. Because they asked us to find the volume, we have to take cubic units. Okay. Now I am going to do the third one. So the other three are going to be the homework. The given length is xy, 2x square y and 2xy square. 2xy square. So the same process as we did for the previous one. we have to consider let L is equal to xy units, breadth is equal to 2x square y units, and h height is equal to 2x y square units. Okay, then volume of a rectangle is equal to L into B into H. The length is going to be simply xy, and breadth is 2x square y, and the height is 2xy square. So let us take the numerical terms. 2 into 2 into, we have x into x square from this term and x from this term. Now the y terms, y, here we have y, and here we have y square. Okay, so look, 2 into 2 4, x into x square into x, if there is no power we'll take 1, so 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, into x power 4 into y power, here also no power means 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 again 4, so that is equal to 4x power 4 y power 4 cubic units. Okay, hope you understood the process, children. Copy the CW carefully and do the given homework. That's all for today. Have a great day.